Hare Krishna. My name is Yashaha and today I'm going to talk about the advent of Jagannath. Hare Krishna everyone. When Srila Prabhupada was a little kid, the day of Sri Jagannath's festival, he went to the temple. When he reached to the temple, he saw this very nice chariot, and he really wanted to take him, but he couldn't because it will take tons of people to pull the chariot. Also, and this is the temple's property, so like he couldn't take it home, but he really insisted so his dad said to him, we're gonna go home and make a new chariot. So he went home and made this beautiful chariot, and his dad taught Srila Prabhupada how to make this beautiful chariot. Then after that, his mom asked his dad, are you not gonna tell the kids why do we celebrate Sri Jagannath's Rath Yatra? Then his dad told those kids, Srila Prabhupada and his siblings, why we celebrate Rath Yatra's Jagannath. According to the Patna Purana, Maharaj Indramanu was an absolute devotee of Vishnu. He built a temple named Sri Krishna known as Jagannath Dham, but there was no idol in the temple. One day, the Raja Shaba, spoke the Nilmadhab. Nilmadhab is a form of Vishnu. Why can he be found? No one knows. So the king went to the Nilmadhab. Does Nilmadhab appear so easily? No one could find him. When everyone was disappointed, only Vidyapati was not seen. He lost his way in the forest. There was then touch and love in the story. Lalita, the daughter of Shabaraj Bishwabashu, rescued the lost Vidyapati in the forest. In the formula, the feeling between them grew, gradually turned into love. After some times of love, after getting married, the newlyweds Lalita and Vidyapati started living in the forest. Meanwhile, Vidyapati noticed that his father-in-law used to take a bath every day and go somewhere. Asking his dad, he found out there is a statues of Nilmadhab in the deep mountains of the forest. Vidyabashu went there every day to worship Nilmadhab. Vidyapati was happy to know about Nilmadhab. His love seemed to be successful. As soon as he knew, he requested Vishwabashu to visit Nilmadhab. Although he was unhappy at the fight, he had to accept the request of stubborn son-in-law till the end. Vidyapati immediately worshipped Nilmadhab with devotion, and immediately the prophecy came down from heaven. So far, I have worshipped the poor and miserable. This time, I want to worship King Indramanu in Maha Upachar. When Nilmadhab himself wants to worship King Indramana, can he be delayed? Quick news was sent to King Indramana. The king made all the arrangements of amazement and appeared to take Nilmadhab in the middle of the forest. But as soon as he reached the forest, no trace of Nilmadhab was found. The prophecy found was real. The wood that would float in the sea water was the idol made of the piece of the wood, the idol of Nilmadhab. To everyone's surprise, one day two wood floated in the sea. The work of making idols started to gain possession. But how to make? The floating was so hard that stay away from making idols. No one could put a hammer in the wood. The situation is the opposite of the hammer. When who will build the idol? Maharaj was in danger again. Seeing the helpless condition of Indramana, I realized at the time it was God's sorrow. Jagannath himself came in the form of artist and stood at the door of the place. He said, he will build the idol of God. However, he has a condition. The condition is that no one will be able to see this sculpture before the week or 21 days. Then the carpenter started working according to the condition, but Indramanu Queen Gudichar did not die. One day, without getting any sign from inside, he opened the door and went inside and saw the artisan and disappear. Seeing 3 half-finished later, he played Varmi property and finished idol with round eyes and complexion, no arms or legs. Seeing this situation, both the king and the queen were overwhelmed with remorse and sorrow. He thought that they got such big punishment as a result of violating the condition. However, God did not allow them to prolong the period of remorse. Appearing in a dream, Jagannath said, I decided in advance I ought to be worshipping the form. Since then, Jagannath thus gained popularity amongst fans. Hare Krishna everyone.